Have you ever wondered how the rich keep getting richer? It seems like a paradox, doesn't it? The wealthy, it seems, have discovered a secret that eludes most of us. They've cracked the code, found the magic key, the ultimate cheat code, if you will. This secret, it's surprisingly simple and yet incredibly profound. It's not about working harder or longer hours. No, it's about making your money work for you. That's right. The rich are not just earning money, they're using their money to create more wealth. Now you might be thinking, that sounds great, but how do I do that? Well, that's exactly the journey we're embarking on together today. It's a journey that will take us into the world of investments, compound interest, and wealth accumulation. Intrigued? Stay tuned to uncover the secret of using money to make more money. One of the key secrets of the wealthy is the power of investments. Now you might be asking, what exactly is an investment? Well, it's simply the act of putting your money to work for you. It's a way of setting your cash in motion to generate more money so you aren't solely dependent on your direct labor to increase your wealth. There are many ways to invest your money, but let's focus on some of the most common types: stocks, bonds, real estate, and businesses. When you buy stocks, for instance, you're buying a piece of a company. As the company grows and profits, so does your investment. Bonds, on the other hand, are like loans you give to the government or a corporation. In return, they agree to give you interest on your money and eventually pay you back the amount you lent. Real estate investing involves purchasing properties for resale or rental. The profits from these activities can provide a steady stream of income over time. Investing in businesses, whether it's starting your own or buying into an existing one, can also bring substantial returns. However, it's crucial to understand that investing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, research, and strategic planning. The stock market can be volatile and businesses can fail. Real estate values can fluctuate and bonds aren't without their risks. But with careful planning, diligent research, and a bit of patience, you can mitigate these risks and increase your chances of success. Investing is like planting a tree. You can't just plant a seed and expect a full-grown tree the next day. It takes time for the seed to grow roots, sprout, and finally become a tree. Similarly, your investments need time to grow and generate profits. So whether you're considering investing in stocks, bonds, real estate, or businesses, remember that the journey of investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making informed decisions and waiting for your investments to mature over time. Remember, the goal of investing is not to get rich quick, but to grow wealth over time. Another secret weapon in the arsenal of the rich is the magic of compound interest. Picture this: you're a magician, and your magic wand is your money. Now, compound interest is your spell, cast upon your money, causing it to multiply over time. Compound interest works by earning interest not just on your original investment, but also on the interest you've previously earned. It's like a snowball rolling downhill, picking up more snow and growing larger with each roll. Over the long term, this can significantly increase your wealth. Even if you start with a small sum, the magic of compound interest can make it grow exponentially. Imagine you're planting a seed. At first it might seem insignificant, but with time and the magic of compound interest, that seed can grow into a towering tree. That's the power of compound interest. It's not just about making money, it's about making your money work for you. Compound interest is truly the magic that turns pennies into fortunes. Today we've unlocked some secrets of how the rich keep getting richer. We've journeyed through the paradox of money, unveiling how it's not just about having it, but about effectively using it to generate more. We've delved into the power of investments, illustrating how strategic allocation of resources into profitable ventures can significantly boost your wealth. We then explored the magic of compound interest, that hidden gem that accelerates your wealth accumulation, turning your small savings into a large fortune over time. It's the silent worker that works tirelessly, growing your money while you sleep. The key to all these wealth-building strategies is patience coupled with strategic planning. Wealth accumulation is not a race, it's a marathon. It's about making calculated decisions, being consistent, and allowing time to do its work. Remember, wealth accumulation isn't an overnight process. It takes time, patience, and strategy. Start today and watch your money grow.